Buenos dias everybody. Today I'm going to be discussing the Botox hair treatment. I've been using this treatment for some time now and I just wanted to go over the steps of the treatment and how it's worked for me. Over the years I've had a lot of issues with breakage and damage, and I just know that I'm not the best at taking care of my hair. My natural hair, I don't know exactly which number it is. So unless I'm like going on vacation or something like that, I typically don't wear my hair in the natural style. I prefer to have my hair straight like this, and it's just easier for me to manage. Now over this year, I did have some hair loss from giving birth. The whole front hairline kind of fell off and it started to grow back. The hair that was growing in really curly and just unruly, so I've had to wear headbands all the time because the hair was just like, well, first it was like bald, then it was growing, so it was shorter than the rest of my hair. And usually I wouldn't get the Botox treatment unless it was like summertime, because it is an anti-frizz smoothing treatment, so it just prevents your hair from getting frizzy in the summertime or like in the heat whenever it's humid. Got it, you know, recently because the hair that is growing back is pretty short, and in order for me to get it to tame down with the rest of my hair, I thought getting the Botox treatment would be helpful, and obviously it was. So I'm going to go over the steps of the process, and I didn't actually vlog the whole experience because most of the communication between my hairdresser and I are in Spanish. I did go to a Dominican salon to get this treatment. I'm sure you can ask about it at any salon. Okay, so first what I did was I went to the salon early on a Saturday because we will be there for a while. She washed my hair, shampooed and conditioned her like the way she normally does, and then it was time to apply the treatment. She applied the treatment kind of like you would apply a hair dye, where she used the brush to put the treatment on and then combed it out with a fine comb all throughout my hair. Now, the reason why they call it the Botox treatment is because of the way the products are mixed together. They do use a syringe, so what she used on me is actually the Cashmere brand, and the product is actually called Biotex, but I guess it's just called Botox because of the syringe that's used to mix the two products. One is like a big bottle of kind of like a conditioner, and then the other product is like a small mini bottle with a liquid in it, and so she used a syringe to pull that up and mix it. I don't know what the exact formula is or amount, but she did that and then mixed it together and then applied it onto my hair. So once she applied it onto my hair, she did put a cap on me and I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes. After that, she did comb out my hair and roller set it. Once she roller set my hair, I went back into the dryer for about 40 minutes and I came out of the dryer. Once I came out of the dryer, she blow dried my hair. It did feel a little stiff with the product in it, and then all this heat is just basically to penetrate the product into your hair. After she blow dried, she flat ironed my hair. Then after the flat iron, she washed my hair again. Then once she washed my hair, I can kind of tell the hair was like super hydrated, super moist, like it wasn't like drying up or getting frizzy, and that is the whole point of the Botox treatment. It's a super duper deep conditioner. It is not like a relaxer. I have relaxed my hair in the past. The last time I relaxed my hair was probably about 12 years ago, and relaxer works great, but it does make the hair get brittle, and my hair would get to a certain length and then it would just break off. But with this treatment, you can put this on your hair and in a few months it will be gone. So after she washed my hair for a second time, she roller set my hair like she normally does, and I went back under the dryer again. After I got out of the dryer, she blow dried my hair like she normally does, and that was it. Okay, so this is the before and after. Both of these are a day after getting my hair done and running some errands. As you can see, in the before, my hair was super frizzy and it looked like I didn't even go to the salon. And the after was a day after as well, and it was just perfect. The treatment did cost me $150. When my hair was shorter, I only paid $100, so the price is going to vary depending on the fullness, the length of your hair, and like all that, because it depends how much product they have to use in order to cover your hair completely. I did go back a week later and cut my ends because I just needed a trim. I thought the ends were looking a little bit beat up, so I did get a trim more recently, but this is already after getting the Botox treatment and going back a week later and getting it washed. As you can see, my hair is still smooth. This is 2 weeks after getting the Botox. I washed my hair myself at home, and as you can see, the curls are not completely gone. So if I wanted to do like a wash and go style, I guess I could. If anybody has any questions or any comments, of course leave them down below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram. And also, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.